Every Indian professional wants to know how the Indian job market is looking like in this situation when the second wave of corona has hit the country badly. Today in this video, we are going to discuss exactly the same thing, how employers are reacting to this situation when the second wave of corona is spreading its wings in the country. This video is going to be very important, so you need to make sure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss any of the important information. In this video, I'm going to share the highlight of Employment Outlook report which has been released by Teamless Services for the quarter of April to June 2021. And the one who do not know, let me tell you, Teamless Services is one of the leading human resource organization of India. This report has all the hiring sentiments which I'm going to discuss with you in this video. So let's get started. According to the report, if lockdown and workplace operating rules are not imposed, then the intent to hire can rise up to 7% in this quarter comparative to the previous one, which was Jan to March 2021. This is a good news. If I have to give you sector-wise breakup, then the top sectors which have shown the intent to hire in this quarter are pharmaceutical and healthcare, educational services, e-commerce and technology startup, and obviously information technology. These are the key sectors which are likely to ramp up their talent pool. And the good news is that more than 58% of the corporate in healthcare and pharmaceutical industry have actually shown their keenness to hire the new talent in this quarter. In education services, this percentage is 55%. In e-commerce and technology startup, it is 51% and 50% in information technology, which means that corporates are actually keen to hire the new talent in case if the COVID situation is under control and lockdown is not imposed. While there is an overall positivity in the market, but there are certain sectors which will take some more time to show that level of enthusiasm which other sectors have shown. And these sectors are power and energy, BPO and ITES, media and entertainment consulting firm, and of course travel and hospitality industry. Now let's further dig down the report as per the geography so that we can understand which cities are taking the lead when it comes to hire the new talent in this quarter and which cities have shown less interest. But before that, if you are finding this video informative till here, then do like the video, share it with others as it will really help to many job seekers, and do subscribe the channel so that you get to watch more such informative videos in the future. Now if I'll talk about cities, then metro and tier 1 cities are obviously taking the lead when it comes to the overall intent to hire the new talent. If I'll further delve into the cities data, then barring Kochi, Coimbatore, Nagpur and Kolkata, mostly all other cities have shown their keenness to hire the new talent. Sales and marketing are the role where maximum hiring will take place. However, if I talk about hierarchy-wise hiring, then the intent to hire two senior professionals has dropped by 4% comparative to the previous quarter. Rituparna Chakrabarti, who's co-founder and executive vice president of Teamless Services, she said, "If we continue with our efforts and not opt for the lockdown, the business optimism will remain the intact and so the hiring. The overall intent to hire will grow from 27 percentage point to 34 percentage point in the current quarter." Further, as per the report, attrition levels have decreased across all the sectors, and considering COVID, this situation likely to remain the same even in the near future. So these are the highlights of the Employment Outlook report which was released by Teamless Services. And if you want to know what will be the appraisal percentage in 2021 or how to compare two job offers basis on the salary structure, then watch these two videos.